Why are astronomers stunned by the Bullseye galaxy's ripples? In the vast expanse of the universe, something extraordinary happened in a galaxy far away. A cosmic bullseye. Imagine a galactic collision so powerful that it created ripple effects like a stone thrown into a pond. That's the story of the Bullseye galaxy, officially called LEDA 13,134,224. Located over 567 million light-years from Earth in the constellation Pisces, this galaxy holds a record that has stunned astronomers. Using NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and the Keck Observatory in Hawaii, researchers have identified an incredible 9 visible rings rippling across the galaxy's structure, the most ever observed. These star-studded waves were triggered by a smaller blue dwarf galaxy smashing directly through the Bullseye's core. Though the two galaxies are now separated by 130,000 light-years, a delicate trail of gas still connects them. Scientists believe this event unfolded around 50 million years ago, sparking a spectacular series of star formations. The outermost ring may have vanished, but its impact remains etched into cosmic history. And here's the thrilling part. This discovery matches long-standing theoretical models, predicting how galaxies respond to such high-speed collisions. It's a visual testament to the raw beauty and chaos of the cosmos. As telescopes become even more advanced, who knows what breathtaking events will be captured next? For now, the Bullseye galaxy reminds us that the universe is a place of wonder, where the unimaginable unfolds in the blink of cosmic time. The rest of the news is in the link below. Do not forget to follow and share. Information multiplies as it is shared.